live in the studios from Wakaliwood, Uganda.
Hey guys, welcome back. From now on, I will make a few modifications to my videos. For this series of the funniest moments on Twitch, I will try my hardest to actually show funny stuff, and before I show you the clips, I will quickly inform you if something unusual happened on Twitch. For example, in the past week, streamers got hit by DMCAs, and most of them had to delete their entire catalog of VODs and clips they accumulated in their entire Twitch career. This also means that all of Wreckful streams will be forever gone. And one more thing before I go, I want you guys to participate, and I will link for every episode a place where you can vote which was your favorite clip. So if you wish to interact, you can choose the funniest clip, and after a couple of episodes, I will feature all the winning clips in a special episode. Enjoy the video and see you next time.
Got him, bitch!
Wait, it's dark out. Alright, we're gonna move on with the next video.
Right there, that's the cake. This? No, all of it.
Oh. Where's the bread?
The bread?
We have to have bread?
Bread?
Isn't a cake made out of bread?
Cake mix.
Okay.
Oh, where are you from?
Australia.
Australia.
Yeah.
Very, very suji.
Thank you.
Maybe ship,
That's right. Professional.
ship. Okay.
Come on.
It's okay, no problem.
Okay. No problem.
Yeah, it's okay.
Okay, come on.
It's okay, no problem.
Thank you.
No, it's amazing.
It's amazing.
Yeah.
It is amazing.
Yeah.
You're amazing.
Yeah, no. Stop!
Okay. Are you dressed as Jimmy right now? Jimmy, does he know? I gotta call Jimmy. There's no shot. Oh, is that Borat?
Nothing but Belvedere. This is a great success for
What the fuck? You.
I ate their fried chicken wings 7 times in a row. And it fucked up my intestines and caused me to have a leaky butt.
Forever?
Up until recently, I fixed it. You want to know how I fixed it? And this is a God's honest true story. I put a butt plug in my butt and practiced squeezing it closed and opening it up over and over again until I could hold the butt plug in my ass.
No way. It's pink.
True story. It's pink. And now my butt doesn't leak anymore. True, honest to God story.
It was leaking.
I watched. How was that? How are we on the same side? I know your pain. Really? Have you ever looked in a mirror? Because that's the pain I'm experiencing right now. Underneath it all, I'm just like you. How's that?
We didn't think you'd do that.
How many people have you taken for, guys? Oh, look at that cat! I'm not even there.
I can't see it. Ivy, can not there?
No! You can even aim the next time on your brush. You don't know which one's going to go.
They just laughed at me. They just laughed at me.
Oh my god, it's so fucking
Get the handle.
stupid. Oh no. does a plunger do?
Wait, let's put a second one in, Sam.
What the?
Sam, come here.
Go, pull me.
The turnaround.
Justice! Justice!
Oh, you got him, I got him!
Justice! No!
What?
Oh.
Don't let Sam win, Jason.
What the fuck's up with Sam's arrow?
He can't run.
He's got a giant dick.
That's a little weird.
What the? What the fuck?
What? Oh man, it works. It works. Don't be mean, please. Yes, I've gained a little bit of weight, guys. I can't help it. But don't be mean, please. Don't be mean.
Oh, there's a clip. Thank you. Let's see. People joining the Discord lately. It's good to have y'all. Feel.
Chat, this is Maya. She's my bird.
We don't say that word anymore.
She's my bitch.
Thank you. Okay. Let's see.
I knew. Wasn't worth it. It was not worth it.
Okay.
It wasn't worth it. I'm sorry. Chat, I'm her bitch.
Actually true.
Better?
That one's actually true.
Crafting.
Desperate times. Calls for desperate measures.
Zoomers LULW has made the advancement. Those were the days. Zoomers LU, are you sure you saving world? Title screen.
You're not ugly.
Lots of people find me attractive, but I've seen something truly beautiful.
Pussy!
Ask her about the necklace.
Makes me feel dull by comparison.
Is her cracked? I don't drink, I don't smoke. Where's the difference? All women are lying whores, Kappa.
I am afraid of everything. Like, I've never wanted to mess with anything. Like,
Hold on, I got my pumpkin bong to work.
Oh my god.
Now we have the butter. But the butter is not room temperature. What are we gonna do? We're gonna hold the butter over the boiling water. Like an absolute idiot! No! No! It's safe to say that the butter is now more than room temperature. And my pasta is gonna be quite buttery. What did you say how much butter we needed?
Kinda cringe.
Moon, I have a message from Chance Morris. He's asking you to kindly unmute him.
Dude, the keyboard's so loud.
Chance Morris. I have a message from Moon Chance. He says,
I unmuted him.
So loud, and then he goes,
"You're not gonna listen to me, boy! You're not gonna fucking like it!" I'm sorry, dude.
Into lights. And Wendy.
So what you should have
Aria
done,
were
Mr.
there.
Streamer, is not died. Oh
Aria
fuck,
could have
you're
been
right!
Southern Gauntlet, but I
John
don't think
DeWall,
so.
you fucking
So,
genius!
Kimmy,
I
where are
shouldn't
you?
have died!
I am in the
Did I just break my glasses?
what's it called? Bottom right with Leslie. I've been with her the entire time, kind of.
I slapped my head so hard. I broke my glasses.
Have you seen which direction Leslie came from?
We walked there together from decontamination.
Sorry for checking. Which
Yeah, we did.
So I walked.
You want to stack over there and I can be here? So just spawn it?
Oh, you want to stay here alone?
Okay,
leave
just go up to the room. No, go down.
We'll go get you a camera. We'll go get you a camera.
No,
okay?
I need camera at Nintendo though.
I have your motion sensor set up right here in the wall.
Okay. Come. Ah! Sammy, it's not funny, man. Sammy scared me, dude. That's just fucked up. Wait, hey, no! Suppose come back! It's talking to me!
Person watches this video, chat one, and has to delete all whip emotes and no longer accept whip songs.